Compatible with Hyundai Sonata 2015 to 2019. Does not fit Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, instead use ECOGARD XC10647C. Replaces FRAM CF12151, PUROLATOR C59185, Wix WP 10155, Hyundai 97133 C2000, C2H79AP000. Removes and filters 99.5% of all dust, pollen, air pollution, allergens, pet dander, and other airborne contaminants from the outside air before it reaches the vehicle's interior. Helps prevent premature wear on your car's HVAC, air conditioning and heating system blower by promoting good airflow inside the car. Replace per manufacturer recommendations or when existing cabin air filter inhibits airflow. Fit type, vehicle specific. Do you have a musty odor in your vehicle? Do you have allergies? Is your vehicle exposed to a large amount of road dust? Try changing your cabin air filter for fresher, cleaner air inside the passenger cabin. Manufacturers recommend every 12 months or 12,000 miles. In areas with higher pollutants in the air, you may wish to change the cabin filter twice a year. Top reviews from the United States. Dealer wanted $75. Dealer will change oil for $10 but wanted $75 for this. Installation took 2 minutes and trust, I can barely change the blinker fluid in my car.